We're going to introduce you to the flash banner control. Now what the flash banner control does is it allows you to do a playlist of pictures, but you can also optionally specify text that's displayed with each of the pictures as well. So let's just give you a quick overview of that. So I'm in the Repeat Signage Designer. I'm going to click on Insert, Insert Flash Banner, and it says Pictures with text next to it. And all I'm going to do for a start is click the Add button, browse for a file. I'm just going to select this cat's picture, and optionally I can put a title and description. So I'm just going to put cats. These are cats. And there's a number of transition effects. We're just going to leave it on cube rotate right for the moment. Click on OK. I'm just going to add a second file. Browse. Got a penguin here. This is a penguin. This time I'm going to change it to multiple cubes turning. OK. So I've added two files to this. I'm just going to click OK so you can see how that appears. And I'm just going to shrink my menu down so you can actually see the whole thing. So what it's doing is it's displaying one picture after the other, but also putting this this text on as well. Now I can move this around by holding down my mouse button and dragging this anywhere I want this to go on screen. I can also size this. Let's say I want this full screen, for example. I can right mouse click, size, full screen. Now if I double click this, you don't necessarily have to have text. One option that's really nice is you can now add multiple files to this really quickly. So if I click on this Add from this computer button, and this time I'm going to just scroll down a bit. I'm going to select all 5 of these images, click on Open, and they're added to my list. Now the difference is, in this case, in the case of the first 2, I've actually added a title and a description. In these ones are blank. If I double click the penguin one, you can see the text and the transition effect. If I double click any of these other ones, there's no title and description, so that just doesn't appear. So we'll just click on OK so you can see that. So the first slide is the cats. And on to our penguins. Different transition effect again. So this is a really quick way of actually creating a playlist of pictures that you want to display on screen. So that's just a very quick overview of the flash banner control.